Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the gas struts on the rear boot. So if you're looking for the part number, this is 13128 So let's get started to install them. To get the old strut out, you have to pry it from here. To put the new one in, you just pop it here like this, and in here as well, and it's all done on this side. Let's do the other side as well. And the struts are on. Much better now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and see you on the next one.